Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's start justice today. Let tarot speak to us. Alright, let's picture this. At the heart of a stone throne sits a serene goddess draped in deep red. A golden crown glows on her head, and her gaze, calm, focused, and unwavering. In one hand, she lifts a sword upright, clear, decisive, and sharp. In the other, she offers balanced golden scales. Truth weighed fairly, without rush or bias. Behind her, the violet veil stretches between two stone gray pillars, suggesting that true justice comes not just from law, but from higher wisdom. This card feels symmetrical, still, and powerful. Justice whispers, what you choose today creates what you walk into tomorrow. So, choose with care. The upright sword, held high, the sword points straight up, like a beacon. It's double-edged. One side delivers reward, the other, correction. It reminds us, truth might cut, but it clears the fog. Be honest, be direct, no detours. The golden scales, perfectly balanced. They weigh not just actions, but intentions. Justice doesn't just ask, what happened? She asks, why? Karma, fairness, accountability, all live here. Ever notice life gently nudging you back to center? This is why. The red robe speaks of passion and courage. But look closely, there's a green lining hidden inside. That's growth. That's healing. So when passion serves harmony, real progress begins. The purple veil and twin pillars. The purple links to divine truth, the kind that exceeds trends. And the stone pillars, they represent structure, laws, systems, contracts, and walls. Justice isn't just mystical. She shows up in real-world decisions. The gray ground beneath her, that's a base of pure gray, the color of neutrality. It says emotions can be loud, but justice listens to logic. She stands on truth, not tests. Facts first, always. If you get an upright justice, you are about to get what you have earned. Nothing more, nothing less. This might look like a fair outcome in legal matters, contracts, or even relationship dynamics. Clear communication wins. If you have acted with integrity, this card is your green light. If not, it's your mirror. If you saw a reversed justice, it's time to recalibrate. This could point to dishonesty, imbalance, or systems that aren't serving truth. Maybe you are avoiding accountability or being treated unfairly. Either way, the scales are tipping. So, step back and reset. Real justice begins when you take a radical responsibility. So, how do we live this card today? Try this. Before reacting, ask, is this fair to me and them? Keep receipts, literal or emotional. Track what matters. Balance giving with receiving. Overextending skews the scales just as much as selfishness. On your ripple effect, every comment, promise, or decision plants something. So, what are you planting today? Justice reminds us, when you choose honesty now, your future feels lighter. Alright, are you ready to walk steady, sword in hand, and truth in heart? So, in our next video, we'll meet the Hound Man, the master of surrender, and new perspectives. If today's message resonates, leave a scale in the comments And don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, live honestly, stand balanced, and let tarot speak to you.